This right here is a prime example of why you should always back up your website. And you see how my website is now broken for whatever reason, I don't know, themmsexperience.com. And if you are a blogger, if you own a website, I want you to be very careful in the sense that anything can happen to your website at any time. And if you don't back up your website, if it gets like this and even the support cannot help you, then you're probably screwed up. Here's what's happening. I woke up today, looked at my website yesterday, it was fine. Today I look at it, I see all of these, right? I actually went on Bluehost and I asked for help. I've been communicating with the agent, and then she's told me that she tried all the possible ways to resolve the issue, but it doesn't work, and so cannot revert back to the last change that I've made to the website. What if you don't have a backup where you can revert back to the last change and nobody can help you? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can back up your website when it's working fine and how you can restore it if it's broken. There is a very specific plugin called Updraft Plus. It allows you to back up and restore your website. It's very simple to install it. You go on plugin, add new right here, and you search for Updraft Plus. You'll see this plugin right here, Updraft WordPress Backup plugin. I installed and then activated. You see 5,000 reviews, 5-star, 3 million active installation. If you have a website, you better have this plugin. I activated that, and on May, when you activate that, if you go and back up and restore, what you realize is that you can back up your website at any time, right? If I click on backup right now, it's going to back up the broken version of my website. But if you scroll down, you realize that on May 21st, I actually backed up my website when it was working fine. And right now I can click on restore and restore to that previous button. It says here, after pressing this button, you will be given the option to choose which component you wish to restore. Okay, before actually backing up, because I have an updated post that I wrote on June 3rd, I went to tools and export. I first exported the post that I wrote on June. Okay, the start date was June and then the end date was also June. I wrote that this month, and I click on download export file. And then to import, when you back up your website, to import, it's very simple. You simply go back on import and you click here on install now on this WordPress button, right? You click on run importer, and then you can choose the file that you just exported containing your post that you wrote after the backup was done, and you can import those posts again and publish them. Be very careful. See, I deactivated all the plugins right here, all of them. Nothing really seems to work, and so this is again a warning. If you have a website, you should definitely back up your website here and there when it is working fine, because you really never know. That's the first time it happens, where when I deactivate all the plugin, nothing works. When I reach out to Bluehost, nothing also works. So careful, be very careful. And you see, when I went on backup and restore, and then right here I clicked on restore, I selected only the theme, because when you do a full backup, it backups the plugin, it backups the theme, it backups all the files that you've uploaded, it backups others, it backups the database. So I only selected the theme because apparently the theme got broken, and then I clicked on next, and then I actually finished the installation, and then I actually completed the installation right here. Now, if you see an error, there will probably be a button here saying delete all directories, meaning there will be all backups that you need to delete, and you just click on delete button, it will delete that all backup, and you just go back again, select theme, next, complete the installation. Now when I refresh my website, guess what? It now looks normal. It now looks beautiful. Okay, this is what it was like. Now I'm just going to reactivate all the plugin that I had activated before, and then that's it. So I want you guys to be very, very, very careful with your website. Understand this. This is a serious thing. You don't want your website to be messed up, because that will disrupt the visitors. They will probably not come back. New visitors will probably not come back to your website thinking that this is how it actually is like, and old visitors will also be turned off, and you will lose in revenue because your website cannot actually be properly visited. Your blog posts are not able to be read with that broken theme, and that you're actually losing everything. So this is what I wanted to show you again. Updraft Plus Restoration is your friend. It's a great plugin. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. I hope that was helpful. So go ahead and check out my website, themmsexperience.com. I have a lot of written tutorials, like tools on how to start a business, AdSense versus Ezoic, tools that can help you actually write a content faster. I cover a lot more topics, and you can even take inspiration on how to actually structure a blog post properly. This is an important tool for those who run Facebook ads. I basically cover a whole range of topics around online business building, but also you already know on my YouTube channel, if you have been a long-time subscriber. For those who are new, it is about online business building, Facebook ad, Instagram growth, blogging, SEO, a lot of other things, right? Things that I learned along the way and that I just share with step-by-step tutorials. I don't want to leave anything behind, and my videos will always be free. So if you want to see helpful video every week or every other week, subscribe to be part of the family. Until next time, take good care of yourself. I love you guys. Peace.
Every 60 seconds, a like button goes without being smashed, but you could help. For the low cost of free, you could smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and in return, I will draw a picture of the like button as my token of appreciation. So thank you so much, and remember, you could make a difference for the like button and the YouTube algorithm just with one simple tap.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.